is English, and today I'm going to explain Elevate chapter to you. This is of 7th standard, and the name of this lesson is Symposium. It's page number 42. So what you have to do, what actually you have to do on this page number, you have to choose a topic, any topic, and you have to write a paragraph on this particular topic. It depends on your choice completely that what you want to write on. I mean, which topic you have chosen. So I have chosen merits and demerits of cell phone. Now, do you know that how life was before the cell phones had been invented? It was wonderful. People were having a very good communication with each other. They used to meet each other. They used to be very much frank and familiar with even their neighbors, not only their family members, but also the people living near them. But now the thing has completely changed. It is good. It has come to an existence, but there are some merits also that something really good has happened. With the help of cell phone, now the people are able to communicate with each other very easily. But before, as compared to this one, people used to come to meet everyone. Relatives used to come and writing letter. They used to write letters. They used to post letters to each other. But there was a kind of love and care in the people, and there were feelings in the people. But now all that has gone somewhere. Apart from this, if we talk about the impact of cell phone on children, so the impact of cell phone on children is not so good. If the children are using it for study, it's okay. But if I talk about olden days, when I was young, when I was small, when I used to study in school, and there were no cell phones at that time, no mobile, nothing. At that time, when we never used to find any word in the book, so we used to keep a dictionary with us always. And we used to open that dictionary and we used to read that dictionary every day. And we used to find the meaning of any word that we never used to find in the book. That was difficult for us to find in the book. We used to open the dictionary and we used to find that word in the dictionary. In this way, we used to develop a habit of reading also, and it was very much beneficial for us that we were able to find different words, new words and difficult words. You know, it plays a very important role to improve your language. If you want to improve your language, if you want to improve your English, then you must put some new and different kind of words into your language. Introduction of new language, introduction of new words in any language is very important to get a flawless language, to get that kind of texture in language. If it is missing, then it will be a very ordinary style of speaking. So you must put all these things. You must introduce something new to what you are talking and what you are talking about. So in this way, this is one thing only. But beside all this, the children, as compared to me, if I compare the children nowadays with me when I was a baby, I used to play outside. Not only me, but my friends also. We used to spend our time playing outside. Outdoor games were there in existence, but now the children are so much bounded. They are only playing video games and they are taking the phone from their parents, and even the parents are giving. And they are spending their time using mobile phones, which is not good for them every time. Sometimes it could be beneficial, but not every time. Before, we used to go outside and spend time outside only. We used to play out whole day. But now the children are not seen outside, but they spend their time in the house only using their phones, using the phone of their parents either. And in this way, they are watching videos, or they are watching cartoons, or sometimes they are playing video games. Most probably video games only they like to play on the phones. So this is what they are doing. This is the thing actually they are doing right now. But this is not good for health. Because games also keep us fit, healthy and active. When we used to play, we used to remain active. And nowadays also, when the children play, they remain active, they remain healthy. But this, when you only play video games and when you are using only mobile phone, so is it good for you? No. It cannot have a good impact, but it will always have a wrong impact on your mind and your body as well. It will make you physically weak, it will make you mentally weak, and you will have different kinds of illnesses that you cannot even imagine. So you should always use cell phone in a limited way. You must know how to use it and when to use it. And you must not forget about other things, that outdoor games are also equally important, and other things, spending time with family, developing good habits like cooking, reading, carrying a dictionary with you, meeting people, communicating with others. These things are also very important. So you must not forget about all this. And beside all this, you should use cell phone in a limited way. So that is what I have written in this, and that is what I have dictated you also. If you didn't understand, so you can see this, so you will get a clear picture of it. Thank you so much.